Hey guys, today I'm going to review Drew Barrymore's air fryer from her beautiful line sold at your local Walmart. But before I do that, I have a public service announcement. I'm public service. All right, listen, product developers, now is the time to collaborate with real estate developers and interior designers. Why? Because homeowners like myself, we want small appliances that complement our home decor. It can be kitchen tools, it can be an air fryer, it can be anything that won't disrupt our design. And that is what Drew Barrymore did right. Let's discuss it. So the first compliment is that the air fryer is aesthetically pleasing, but it's also functional. As homeowners, we really do want products that accessorize our home. This model is sleek and it comes in two sizes. This is the smaller version of the two, believe it or not, and it retails at $69. The larger version is actually on sale right now, and it comes in at $119. So the air fryer comes in multiple colors. Obviously, I chose white, not because my office is white, but actually because it really does match my kitchen. But there's other colors: blue, black, lavender, burgundy, green, and gray. So number 3, the air fryer is extremely easy to use. The only thing that you'll want to do is clean your tray and your bucket. And you can do that by pulling this out, and then you're ready to go. I actually started cooking and I didn't even read the manual that comes with it until after my food was done. But it does come with a small manual. You may want to read that first, but the good news is you do not have to. The controls on the air fryer are easy to use. If you want to use the air fryer, you simply push the air fryer icon and it will automatically heat to 400 degrees. An NPD is noted as saying that air fryer sales increased by 76% over the last 2 years. So obviously, Drew knows what she's doing. So we are entering into number 5. And this is really a toss-up for me because while the controls are really easy to see and utilize, I do see a challenge, particularly with the white color, and here's why. There are LED lights that are backlit, and that's so that you can see the icons. However, on the white model, the lights are white as well. So I happen, honestly, to love it because it's just clean looking. But I could see if you're someone of a certain age, or maybe your eyes are just not as strong as they used to, that could present a challenge. So maybe if the white had maybe a warm gold tone, that would be easier for all eyes. Honestly, I don't think it's something that's really going to be an issue, but I do think it could be a potential concern. Outside of that, I really don't have much to say that is negative about this product. I love it, and if I'm being honest, we've had probably 5 air fryers in our home, all that my husband purchased because I'm more of a slow cooker. But when I strolled into Walmart and saw this baby, I put it in my cart because of all of the things that I've already said in this video. Now, if you would like to see me cook with this air fryer, stay tuned and watch the next video. Until then, position yourself well.